Okay, students. The activities or turnover ratios indicates the efficiency of management in the use of resources. These resources can be both short term and long term. The overall efficiency of the company is basically depends upon the company's ability to making maximum utilization of resources in a company. So the turnover ratios reflect the speed at which the assets are utilized in affecting sales. That means higher turnover ratio means efficient use of funds by management in generating more sales. And important turnover ratios are inventory turnover ratio, debtor turnover ratio, creditor turnover ratio, total asset turnover ratio, fixed asset turnover ratio, and the last one is working capital turnover ratio. What is working capital turnover ratio? It shows the efficiency of management in the use of current or short-term resources of the company. That is, the working capital turnover ratio indicate that how the company is utilizing current and short-term resources of a firm. Formula for calculating working capital turnover ratio is equal to cost of sales divided by net working capital. Next one is interpretation of working capital turnover ratio. Higher ratio indicates that greater efficiency of working capital in a company. But very high working capital turnover indicates that the company is not in a good situation. That is, the working capital of company is not maximum utilized. What is working capital? Working capital means the equation for calculating working capital is current asset minus current liability. Working capital is directly related to the sales. Sales means revenue from operations. The current assets like debtors, bills receivable, cash, stock, etc. Comes under the category of revenue from operations. The working capital formula is working capital is equal to current assets minus current liability. This ratio can be used by making comparative and trend analysis for different firms in the same industry. We can use this ratio for analyzing the comparative and trend analysis among the same industries working companies. The another formula for calculating working capital turnover ratio is equal to cost of sales or revenue from operations divided by average working capital. In order to find out average working capital, we have to find out opening working capital plus closing working capital whole divided by 2.